Does the Hester M3 PRO clean all kinds of windows and work in all weather conditions?
The Hester M3 uses vacuum suction power to securely attach to any window, no matter what type of glass, how thick it is, or even if it's a skylight. It can clean both large and small windows, as long as the window is at least 50 by 50 centimeters in size, from both the inside and outside. It's also capable of cleaning frameless windows. However, it's not compatible with curved glass surfaces. Please avoid using the robot in direct sunlight on hot days, as the cleaning liquid might dry too quickly, just like when you clean windows by hand. Additionally, it's not recommended to use the robot when temperatures drop below 5 degrees Celsius, or during rain or snow, as these conditions can affect its performance and safety.
What other surfaces can Hester M3 PRO clean?
The Hester M3 can clean any smooth surface, including windows, skylights, mirrors, glass, ceramic tiles, and shower doors and walls, no matter if it's framed or frameless. However, it cannot clean textured or rough surfaces, nor is it suitable for surfaces too small to securely hold the robot.
How well does the robot clean the corners of the windows?
Its square design allows it to clean rectangular windows with right-angle corners very precisely, reaching edges and corners better than round robots. Thanks to its EdgeSense technology, it can cover and clean up to 99% of the surface, even close to the frame. The most detail-oriented users may still prefer to manually clean the small strip of glass right next to the frame. It can also clean windows with rounded frames, although a small area along the curves may remain out of reach.
What does the spot cleaning program do?
While using the remote control, press the spot cleaning button, which looks like a target, to focus on a specific spot on the window for better results. This feature is ideal if you want to clean just one part of the window, such as removing a handprint or other dirt from a specific area on the window.
Can Hester M3 PRO clean surfaces independently without supervision?
Yes. Once attached to the window, the Hester M3 independently performs one cleaning cycle of your choice and then stops. You'll need to remove the cloth, put on a clean one, and attach the robot to the same or a different surface. It's important to note that the robot does not clean frames and cannot climb over frames or separated surfaces. At first, you might feel like you want to stand next to it and observe, but it's safe to leave it and let it do its thing. The robot will inform you when it's finished its cleaning cycle, at which point you'll need to place it on a different window. Personally, I find that the time to use it is when I'm doing other chores around the house. I'll start the robot on one window, then move on to other tasks. In between, I can check in and switch it to another window. The robot takes care of all the windows while I focus on cleaning up the house.
Is the Hester M3 PRO robot wireless?
No. The robot is always plugged into an outlet for continuous power. This means you can clean all of your house windows without interruption. No need to stop and charge the battery. In case of a power outage though, it does have a battery that will keep it running for about 25 minutes, and it does emit a warning signal when the battery's low. The power cord is 5.5 meters long, and if needed, you can use an extension cord to reach even further, giving you flexibility to clean across your entire space.
What kind of window cleaning liquid can we use with the Hester M3 PRO?
You can fill the robot with either water or any window cleaning liquid. The cleaning efficiency may depend on the specific window cleaning liquid used. For extra dirty windows, you can pour a small amount of window cleaning liquid directly onto the cloth to achieve better results.
What are the Hester M3 PRO cloths made of? How do you maintain them? And how many are needed for cleaning?
The yellow cloths are designed for dry and wet cleaning of surfaces, while blue cloths are intended for polishing clean surfaces. The cloths are made of microfiber, which makes them easy to maintain. To clean them, simply machine wash at up to 30 degrees Celsius, but avoid washing at higher temperatures, as this can cause the cloths to wear out faster and lose their shape. The number of cloths needed to clean a window highly depends on its size and how dirty it is, but you'll most likely need 2 or 3. For optimal convenience, we highly recommend purchasing additional cloth sets together with the robot at an attractive price.
How to choose a different language for the Hester M3 PRO?
Before you start using the Hester M3, just plug it in using the power cord. Then, with the remote control, press the globe button till you find the language you need. Once selected, place the robot on the surface to begin cleaning.